Hi, I'm Sarah. I live locally and I'm really interested in getting involved in the community fridge. I work in a food bank later in the week in Carmarthenshire, so it's really nice to be part of a community fridge which is about waste, not poverty. So this is accessible to everybody, and what we're able to give out depends on obviously what the supermarkets are able and local businesses are able to donate for us.
We've got some green tomatoes for chutney.
If you come out onto Emlyn High Street, the old Barclays Bank is now the food store, and just pop in and grab some food. Everyone's lovely.
We've only just opened. We opened on Monday, and to start off with, I was accosting people outside our door because people didn't know what we were. So anybody and everybody can come and see what we've got in our fridge or freezer, and are able to take at the moment 2 items. That's because we haven't got an awful lot of food at the moment.
Oh, brilliant.
My raspberries I buy in Aldi every week. They're very expensive, so it'd be so nice to have some raspberry today. Diolch yn fawr i chi.
Hi, I'm Amy. I met with the organiser of this place and really loved the idea of saving food and reducing waste, and for me food is a bit of a way of showing love, and so I like that idea of sharing throughout the community and bringing people together. So I'm just here volunteering and helping out really people. It's good.
We haven't got that many food businesses around, and they manage their produce fairly well, so there isn't an awful lot of waste, which is good news really. But what we would like is more businesses to donate to us if they've got food that is we can either put in our freezer or put in our fridge. It has to have a best before date. If it's past its use by date, we can't do anything with it. At the moment we're open on Mondays and Wednesdays from 9 until 11. We collect the food at 7:30 in the morning, so it's as fresh as it can possibly be, and then we give it out in those hours.
For me, volunteering is just one day a week. I just come in for a couple of hours in the morning and help share the goods with people from the community. Anyone can come and join. I've managed to do food hygiene because I'm a volunteer, but we give loads of training and just teach people how to give out food, which is really very easy.